Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathyMath number 173.
MathyMath173. So this is a problem. Sorry, I couldn't really draw it, so I'm just going to hold it in here. This is an extra from your geometry book, and it says if you take an 8x8 squared and chop it up this way, you can rearrange those pieces to form a 5x13 rectangle. And what's the paradox?
But how can 8 by 8 times 8 be 65?
Right. How can an 8 times 8 be 65? So how can an area of 64 and an area of 65 be the same? Okay. So this is an interesting problem. What do you think is going on here?
Well, something in the rearranging somehow makes an extra square.
Okay.
But I don't see any spaces where they're like, it's a sort of open.
Uh-huh.
It is definitely a 5 by 13 rectangle. So what's going on here at all?
Yeah.
So these are definitely the same pieces.
Yeah, they're absolutely the same pieces. We could 3D print this and make this.
That's an 8 by 8 square. That's a 5 by 13 rectangle. How does this even work? Wow. So I'm going to look at the area of these pieces to see if I can figure it out.
Okay.
So here, this piece here, this piece is an area of 20.
Okay, how did you figure that out?
It's a trapezoid.
Alright.
The area of a trapezoid is the average of the bases, which here in this case is 4,
Okay.
times the height, 5.
Uh-huh.
So this is 20, this is 20,
Alright.
this is 12, and that's 12.
Alright.
64.
Yeah.
And the trapezoid 5 by 3, that's 20, that's 20. That's 12 and that's 12.
Okay.
So if two things equal 64, but one of them equals 65.
Okay. Interesting. So let's go to the next movie.